Hi, this is the Geeksforgeeks challenge, and then the problem is that I have to move all the zeros to the end of the array, and accuracy level is 45.51%, and it's easy. So what the it is saying, it could be there is a size of the array, and the array could contain this kind of elements like 35004. We don't know where the zero will lies, but definitely there will be some zeros. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to take the numbers like 354 first, and then the remaining zeros we have to assign at the back of the numbers. Okay, so we can do the brute force approach. First is that we can iterate it from starting from 3 to 4, and then whenever there is a whenever there is an element which is not equal to 0, then we can store them in the temporary variables. After that, in the step 2, all the temporary variables we can move back to the this array, and then we will overwrite like 3 5 instead of just 0, we'll put 0. Now in the third step, how many places were remaining? Like 2 will be remaining obviously, so in that last two elements we will assign them as a 0. Okay, so that we will get the desired output. Okay, we will go through the code. So first is like I will use and declare and declare a temporary array. Okay, and then what I can do is I can iterate from 0 to n, and condition to check for non-zeros. After we do this, uh, then okay take the non-zeros and put it in the temp. Okay, this is step 1, and in the step 2 what we can do is again iterate, but this time we will iterate only the temp. Iterate the temporary the temp array. Okay, now put the non-zeros from where I'll take, from temp I'll take, and then I'll store to the which one, the array, the ordinary, who is the default, the original one which was given in here, this one. Okay, so once we'll complete this, and then in the third step what we can do is we'll again iterate the array, but be specific. But this time from where we'll iterate, we'll start iterate from here, right? We'll start iterate from these places. So these places lies uh, from the size of the temp, and till where I'll go, till n, and assign uh, this index with 0 elements. Okay, and then what I'll do, I'll I don't have to return because the return type is here it is void. Okay, no need to return. So let's do I'll declare, and I'll set array name as non-zero. Okay, it's equal to new int, and what size I want to take, I'll take this n size on the given size only. Okay, fine. Then let's iterate it for int I is equal to 0. So I should go till where, till n, and then we'll increment the value of the I. So what we will do, these things we have to do inside here only. Okay, so we'll put a condition here. If how will check the index, like ARR of I. Okay, is if it's not equal to 0, then what I want to do, if you're doing a single statement after this, if no need to put curly braces. Okay, this will be okay. So if this is the case, then what I will do, okay, we'll do take this non-zero. Okay, take this non-zero, and then I'll say I is equal to ARR of I, but this will give error. Okay, so you have to because whenever there's I, they will overwrite it. So in order to avoid that, what we can do is we have to declare an index. Okay, so I'll say in idx is equal to this will also start by 0. Okay, so instead of this I, you replace with the idx, and then so once we do this again in the next, the index should be incremented so that the value from the I, this will become 1 now, so this will again come here, right, if that is non-zero. So you have to increment the index, otherwise the index will remain 0, and whatever value you're adding, it will be overwritten. Okay, so that's not what we want, right? We don't want that to be happen, so you have to take care of these things. And in this step 2, now we'll iterate this one, the temporary variable. So I'll again start with 0, and till where I will go, I will go till the this non-zero of the I have to go till the n of this. Okay, so this I plus plus, and then now what we have to do is we have to put back all these the non-zeros, all these non-zeros from temporary to the ordinary array. So the ARR of I, here I will put the what I'll put no, wait, okay, this non-zero I will put here. Now we have obtained till here. Now till here we have to add this 0 0. So how to do that? Again you have to iterate it, but we don't want this to be override. Okay, we want these two things to be override. So how we'll do it? For you have to start iterate from here to here only. Okay, so int I will be remain as I will start from non-zero dot length, and I should go till where? I will go till last, so there's no issue. You can directly say n, and you increase the I plus plus. So what I will do, so here there is a, so yes, this 2 has to be replaced. So ARR of I, now this I start from this place, so this 0 1 2 3, so this will start from 3, and 3 I'm putting as 0, and again it will go until 4 will go. So in the 4 also will return 0, so we'll get output as 35400. We don't have to return anything here. We'll simply compile and run. Let's see. Okay, we have some issues here. Okay, there's a 350. Okay, this is not taking 0. I got it from okay, this one. So as I said before, if you're doing for the only a single statement, no need to put the curly braces, but yeah, here we are doing for two statements, so add the curly braces, and let's see. Yes, now it is coming. Now the best part is when you submit it, they will run this test cases. It looks very good. See, they're counting. Okay, total test cases 1135. Let's see whether we can pass all the things. Yes, so yeah, okay, first time I'm submitting this, so we pass everything, and the total time taken was 3.17. Accuracy is this that. Okay, so it's good. You can try in the GFG also.